Remember, don't waste your time and energy. These tips will help you make money with Binance. Yes, today we're gonna tell you about the tips that help you make money on Binance. The Binance cryptocurrency exchange has evolved over the past 3 years from being merely a platform for trading cryptocurrencies among one another into a comprehensive cryptocurrency ecosystem with a wide range of opportunities for monetary gain. Since the exchange's launch in July 2017, Binance has been steadily growing its product offering to give you access to more opportunities to profit from cryptocurrencies and increase your assets. It started out simply as a spot trading platform for cryptocurrencies but has since expanded to include a wide range of services. Before we dive in our topic, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel right away for getting more useful information. Let's get started. Promote and profit. Please take note that all the subsequent stages following are dependent on this strategy. Users of Binance referral program have the opportunity to earn 40% of interest when they refer new users. The most crucial thing is to provide individuals with useful content. Also keep in mind that people register using your referral link because they want to help you. Coinbase Earn. An option that gathers goods for new users is Binance Earn. Use this referral code to sign up for Binance.com if you haven't already and get a 100 USDT bonus. You have access to Binance Earn goods that meet the demands of both novice and seasoned users when you create an account on www.binance.com. Additionally, you get a 100 USDT bonus on your wallet when you adhere to few simple restrictions. This is applicable to trading, staking, and NFT. You can use one of these goods at Binance Earn with this bonus. Adaptable savings. You can stake 24 well-known tokens, including as BTC, ETH, USDT, or BNB, and earn interest and prizes using flexible savings. This product's subscription and reward redemption are both available at all times. Flexible savings is a popular program with more than $3 billion in total value secured. BNB Vault. With the BNB Vault aggregator, which combines the greatest aspects of Launchpool, savings, and DeFi staking, you may earn incentives on your unused BNB. Do it quickly and easily with one click. Launchpool. Gain early access to the newest tokens coming to Binance by staking BNB, BUST, BTC, and other assets. Get your hands on some of the most well-liked forthcoming IEO and DeFi tokens, such as the recently launched BTCST token on Launchpool, to stay ahead of the curve. Regular savings. Earn higher dividends on your stakes by storing 24 well-known crypto tokens, such as BTC, ETH, USDT, or BNB, for 7 90-day lock-up periods. Although you can subscribe at any time, incentives can only be redeemed after the lock-up period. That's how a bond works in conventional investing. It's that easy. Secure staking. Stake tokens for as little as 10 USDT to start earning larger incentives and other perks. Without forfeiting your initial wager and forfeiting any prior staking rewards, you can redeem early without paying an early redemption fee. Select one of 30 proof of stake (POS) tokens to receive rewards with little risk, such as EOS, DOT, or ADA. Staking for ETH 2.0. Earn rewards for supporting the ETH 2.0 network upgrade by staking Ethereum ETH. Stake ETH on the blockchain and receive interest. Redeem BETH that is pegged 1 to your ETH stake to increase your profits. Activities. Earn rewards for the actions you already take, like staking and cryptocurrency saving. Occasionally, Binance Earn offers unique savings products for specific cryptocurrencies. When the activity is finished before it is fully subscribed, your yield will automatically appear in your spot wallet. Binance P2P system. On the peer marketplace known as Binance P2P, you have the opportunity to trade cryptocurrencies directly with other users of Binance. Binance P2P enables you to transact in cryptocurrencies using the payment method and local currency of your choice. You post your offer and set the main parameters, such as the asset that you wish to buy or sell, its amount, price, and method of payment. The P2P trading mechanism is straightforward and resembles any real-world over-the-counter transaction. When your offer is accepted by the counterparty, the funds that are now stored in the seller's wallet are temporarily put on hold. The transaction is recorded by the platform, and the purchaser is required to finalize the payment within a predetermined window of time. In the case of Binance P2P, this window is less than 15 minutes. Our escrow service will unfreeze the funds and then transfer them into the account of the buyer as soon as the seller has acknowledged that they have received the payment. Because Binance P2P is accessible in more than 250 countries, users from all over the world are able to trade cryptocurrencies in a way that is both secure and expedient, while also incurring only minimum transaction costs. In addition, in order to cater to the requirements of its users, Binance P2P supports over 100 fiat currencies, 10 digital assets, and 700 different payment methods. Binance Staking. The act of keeping your digital assets in a wallet is what we mean when we talk about staking. You will be able to gain from crypto as a result of this. New users have taken advantage of staking, which has enabled them to earn money in a hands-off manner. Buy and sell artwork created with no fee. I have already written an essay on how to form your own non-profit organizations and how to publicize them, free and paid methods. At the very end, you will discover all of the titles. Are you just starting out? Try copy trading or trading bots for cryptocurrencies. Binance Launch Pool is available. What exactly is the Binance Launch Pool? Binance Launch Pool is a platform that was released in September 2020 and allows users to stake their existing crypto tokens in exchange for the opportunity to generate new tokens completely free of charge. This is a strategy that should be used for investors who are interested in obtaining a passive income. Freebies to give away during promotional events. Maintain a balance of cryptocurrencies in your Binance account to be eligible for airdrops. BNB holders on Binance are eligible to receive an airdrop of SXP coins with a total value of $16 million if they keep their BNB in their Binance wallets at this time. This airdrop is exclusive to BNB holders on Binance. Binance Card. Utilize your Binance Card to make financial transactions. The old adage "you have to spend money in order to make money" is getting a whole new interpretation thanks to Binance. You can spend money at thousands of participating retailers all over the world using your Binance Card, which has recently been released in Europe and will soon be available in additional regions. In exchange for your spending, you will receive BNB rewards. The payback rate starts at 1%, and it goes up from there depending on how much BNB you keep. This advice is intended to help you make a lot of money, we believe. Please feel free to ask us anything about our video from today in the comments section. Enjoy your day.